Hello and welcome back, food lovers. Today we're going to cook one of Thailand's most popular street foods, and that is Moo Krob, or crispy pork belly. Moo Krob can be used as an ingredient in many other dishes such as stir fries, but today we're going to serve it in its most simplest form, and that is with some sticky rice and a dipping sauce. Are you ready to cook? Okay, let's go. The main ingredient is of course the pork belly. About 500 grams is enough for 2 people. Bring a pan of water up to a boil and add in a tablespoon of salt and vinegar. Add in the pork belly and boil for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove the pork from the water and allow it to dry on some paper towels. When the pork has dried, fry it on medium heat for about 10 minutes. It's important that the meat has been dried properly, otherwise it will cause the oil to splash. After 10 minutes cooking, remove the pork from the oil. At this point they will be cooked, but not yet crispy. Next, we're going to turn the heat up to high and fry the pork for a second time. This will take about 5 minutes and will turn the pork belly nicely brown and crispy. After 5 minutes, the pork belly should have turned nicely brown and crispy. Remove them from the oil and place them on a rack to cool down. Then cut the crispy pork belly into bite-sized pieces. To make the dipping sauce, simply mix together the lime juice, fish sauce, and chopped chilies and coriander. So that's how you make Moo Krob. Serve it with some sticky rice and the dipping sauce. Thanks for watching, folks. Subscribe if you haven't already done so, and see you next time.